Here with First Up, let's get you some political news now. With 288 assembly seats at stake, Maharashtra elections promise to be a tough contest.
The rise of the BJP-Shiv Sena alliance in the Lok Sabha elections has put the Congress and NCP on notice. While there have been cordial meetings between Sonia Gandhi and Sharad Pawar in the capital, state-level leaders are failing to offer the same kind of niceties. In an apparent hard posturing over seat adjustments with NCP for the forthcoming assembly elections, the Congress, in fact, on Thursday said the 15-year alliance will continue only if a decision can be taken without compromising the party's self-respect.
Now, this even as trouble brews within the Congress on the Narayan Rane front. He's still camping in Delhi and is hoping to meet the party Vice President Rahul Gandhi. But referring to the ongoing parleys with the NCP leaders who are insisting on contesting 144 seats out of the 288, a demand opposed by the Congress, Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan said that the alliance will continue only if an honourable agreement on seat sharing is reached and not otherwise.
त्यामध्ये मी त्या दृष्टीने मी म्हटलं होतं की आत्मसन्मानानं जर करता आला तर आम्ही निश्चित करू. त्या ठिकाणी त्या कार्यक्रमामध्ये आम्ही आपसात चर्चा करत होतो, एकत्र बसत होतो. त्यातून काही बरेच काही कामं मार्गी लागली, काही नाही लागली, परंतु तो प्रयत्न आम्ही पुढे चालू ठेवू.
Trouble on the other side as well. The BJP Sena ties also being strained after infighting was reported in the Congress NCP alliance.
All right, let's go across to Ashar Khan, who's joining us from Delhi, also from Mumbai this morning. My colleague Amruta Shedge joining us. Ashar, to you first. The Narayan Rane episode has really embarrassed the Congress party. And as far as their tie-up with the NCP for the upcoming assembly elections in Maharashtra is concerned, it appears that things still remain fluid. There's no certainty over there.
Well, as far as the Narayan Rane episode is concerned, he met the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi yesterday, and what we are seeing is that Mr. Narayan Rane is very short of options as far as his political future is concerned. In fact, High Command sources have been telling us that an agreement will be reached with Mr. Narayan Rane. He will not be leaving the party. Some also suggest that this may be a ploy to ensure that his loyalists also get a sizable amount of tickets in the forthcoming assembly elections. Well, as far as the larger part is concerned, which is the alliance with the NCP is concerned, the NCP is pretty much open to that alliance. In fact, senior leaders of the NCP have been saying that they've communicated to the Congress party that they're ready for an alliance and the alliance should go on. While on the other hand, the central leadership of the Congress is mum on the issue. What we've been given to understand that the alliance will go on. But yes, a crucial question in each and every alliance is that what are the number of seats a particular party or the alliance partner will get, and that is something which will need to be ironed out sooner than later.
Absolutely, Ashar, stay on with us. Let's also get a word from Amrita Shedge, who is joining us live from Mumbai. Amrita, even as Sharad Pawar and Sonia Gandhi hold meetings in the national capital, state leaders on the ground have really dug their heels in the NCP, insisting that it wants to fight from at least 144 seats.
See, CM Prithviraj Chavan has clearly said that we will take decision with our self-respect, and NCP should also respect the decision of Congress. Now, the seat sharing conflict issue is going there, and this is not the new issue in alliance. NCP is saying that we won 4 seats in Lok Sabha elections and Congress won just 2 seats, and because of that in assembly elections we want more seats. And DCM Ajit Pawar also said that we want equal share in seat distribution, that is 144 seats for NCP and 144 seats for Congress. And CM Prithviraj Chavan said that if NCP is not ready with that, we will not. Congress is also saying that Congress is not ready to give more seats to NCP, and after that Prithviraj Chavan has said that then Congress will go alone. So that is a big question mark. Just one day before also there was a meeting between Congress and NCP leaders, but both party leaders were strict to their decisions, and so there was no outcome from that meeting. But now also there are series of meetings taking place between NCP and Congress, and they are deciding the factor of seat sharing. because both the parties want more number of seats, because assembly elections are important, and NCP is saying that our role in
Right.
Lok Sabha election was better than Congress. Also, Praful Patel, the NCP leader, he has openly criticized Congress and said that for defeat in Lok Sabha elections, Congress is responsible
Right.
because they did
All
not
right.
do proper publicity.
Absolutely.
And because of that, NCP wants more seats, and the series of meetings are taking place. Back to you.
Absolutely, the NCP almost trying to bully its the parent partner of the alliance, especially after the Congress's dismal performance in the Lok Sabha elections. Thanks so much, Ashar and Amrita, for getting us the latest in the story. We'll keep coming back to you for more.